Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin has shown us potentially a small 5-wave move to the upside there yesterday. So we're going to take a look at that right now and what the relevant support levels are that now need to hold. First of all, for anybody who's new on the channel, we're following two wave counts here in this current correction that started to unfold on the 14th of March. And here we have an A wave to the downside, which bottomed on the 20th of March. That's the first wave of a correction. Then we had the B wave corrective rally, topped here on the 8th of April, and then we formed another low. And I know it's always tiring for some to, let's say, wait for 5 waves up or something, right? For me to confirm that a low has formed. But it's so important because here we didn't get 5 waves up, okay? And a lot of people were already super bullish here and here, even though the rally was only in 3 waves. And it was not clearly giving us any confirmation that a low has formed or had formed in this 4th wave. Even though possible, but not confirmed due to a lack of 5-wave move to the upside. Now we have another chance after this low was formed in our support zone for the price to form 5 waves up. We potentially yesterday have seen a small micro 5-wave move up. We're going to take a look at that now. By the way, and because there are many misconceptions, especially if someone is new to Elliott Wave, you of course don't need to wait for confirmation to make a trade. I mean, that's sort of where there is a difference between analysis and trading, right? I can only tell you when structures get confirmed from an Elliott Wave point of view, and I can tell you where the relevant levels are, where reward is high and risk is low. Traders would normally use these areas to trade, not necessarily wait for confirmation. It's often too late, but from an analysis point of view, I won't be able to confirm to you that down here, the low is in. I can highlight the potential, and I can highlight this is an area where really we should see a reversal, and then you can make your trading decisions based on that. But then to really confirm that a low is in, I need to see more. What do I need to see? Well, I need to see this 5-wave move to the upside. Yesterday I already posted it on X. Feel free to follow us there, by the way, if you're interested in, additional updates. I also post a lot about mindset here, trading mindset, all sorts of different stuff. So just make sure that you follow the correct account. It's here. There are impersonators around, so make sure you only follow the correct one. We will also never contact you directly. But yesterday's update was here. So it's possible that the price is forming wave 5 of Roman numeral 1 in a leading diagonal pattern. If a higher low can hold after the price has formed a 5th wave, then it would indicate that the price is on its way to 90,000. So you can see here yesterday we had not seen those 5 waves up, but the need was to see, to see further confirmation that indeed a low has formed on Friday. Then, we needed to see a move up above this 3rd wave high. And if we now take a look at the Bitcoin chart, you can actually see, even though it was a very, anemic, very lackluster 5th wave, it is 5 waves in wave 5. Would have preferred to see a little higher, but that's okay. It's 5 waves visually. And we can now watch for a potential pullback. Now, not confirmed yet that pullback in wave 2 is starting, but I think these 5 waves at least increase the probability that we might now see a wave 2 pullback. Basically should say that differently, that in any pullback now a higher low is forming or can hold, okay? Not confirmed, but for an Elliott Wave confirmation, we always need 5 waves up and 3 waves down. The 5 waves simply allow us to add a support zone, and it increases probabilities that a low is holding a higher low, but it's not guaranteed, of course, okay? But it gives us very clear parameters to watch, and you can see the price got rejected in resistance. We have 5 waves up as a first confirmation that a low is in. Second level of confirmation is that a higher low holds in the support area, which is defined between 60,888 and 63,317. So as I said yesterday, all we need to do really is to watch for one more high, which happened, but it was a little bit shallow, you could say. Bitcoin wasn't very motivated, but still we have 5 waves. And then to watch for a higher low to form afterwards. This is now the moment of truth. And if a higher low can form, then it is really possible that in the next move up, we get quite an aggressive third wave rally. So then as soon as we have the first 1, 2 completed, I can give you a target for waves 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, that's sort of what we're watching at the moment on the Bitcoin chart. These are the parameters for today. If one more high is forming from here, which I cannot rule out, then this would be an extension of wave 5 of 1. And we would probably see the price get to 66,790, where we also have the previous swing high. Okay, so that's going to be next resistance. But if we get a break below the last swing low, today's low at 64,650, here, yeah, then this would be a first confirmation that a wave 2 pullback has started, probably as an ABC structure, and then we can watch for these levels. Maybe we get a bit of a pullback today. We'll see. I mean, at the moment it's moving above today's low, actually, isn't it? It's today's low. Yesterday's today, overnight. It's moving above the overnight low and below the last high. So really not gone anywhere, but a break below the low could indicate that we're heading down in this wave 2, which would just be a very soft pullback as it seems. There's going to be additional structural support around the 38.2 retracement level as well, where that wave 4 ended. Yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.